Today is a beautiful day. We're heading back to Gurara Falls. I've been to Gurara Falls before, but I don't think Tyra has gone there. Have you gone there before?
No, I've never gone there.
But yeah, Gurara Falls is one of the most popular waterfalls in Nigeria. It's a travel destination, another popular tourist attraction in Nigeria.
I don't like being on camera.
Well, you're always saying,
Okay,
why
now
is my, why is that me?
Yeah, but then I'm like, why are you taking my video?
You give order that we're ready so the driver can leave. Mr. John,
I'm coming.
we are good to go. Yeah, get one person, we'll not leave and they go, don't worry. They sleep.
I don't think you are.
But we're not.
We're not what?
I have to.
The route will take you around, but it will not take you directly.
Why?
Have like one phone here, you can have one phone here and give everybody the same phone. All the
For the students and the teachers, because
Whichever is higher.
if 10 students were to ask you questions on the internet, you probably won't have time to reply all of them.
Yeah, that's true. That's actually true. You
But
only
this-
shift back
this is-
so that two of us go
perfect.
shoot.
No, you know they tell me waiting to do.
Yeah, so
No
much.
breaks. No breaks.
You don't press the door before you don't realize.
I should vlog this.
Guy, carry me up now.
I want to
So you were getting that vibe that you were feeling.
It's different when you interact with people physically. Like it's totally different, and the way the feedback is faster. So somebody can easily ask me a question about YouTube or about stuff that I have an idea about, and I can just easily answer it. So that's one of the reasons why the Madman experience was created, to interact